Hi friends, a leading research institute offering PhD program in India belongs to CSIR, a central government research institute in India. So, which institute? So, what is the amount of the stipend? Which subject? So, everything we are going to discuss in this video. Before that, subscribe our Nanny Edu YouTube channel, click bell icon, click all notification button, then only you will get everyday notification to you. Okay. So in India there are several CSIR laboratories are there, but especially in Hyderabad, the CSIR laboratory Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, a very beautiful research institute in Hyderabad. So they are offering PhD program for January 2022. The notification number is 1 bar 2022. A very important institute in India. So many scientists are involving, so many scientists are working in this research institute. We are going to discuss, we are going to see a glance of what subject they are offering and about the institute. Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, which is situated in Hyderabad, invites applications from the candidate who are Indian citizen. So this is especially for Indian citizen to pursue the research PhD program in modern biology. PhD program with a stipend. Listen, candidate, PhD program they are offering with good stipend. Okay, so in modern biology, they are offering research in modern biology with various heads of PhD degree. So the projects are available. The projects offered for PhD would be in the broad areas of cell biology, molecular biology, genetics, genomics, developmental biology, plant molecular biology, conservation biology, ecology, protein structure and function, biology of macromolecules, biology of infection, epigenetics, chromatin biology and bioinformatics. See, there are variety of the subject in biology, especially in molecular biology. They are offering a projects for PhD with stipend. So don't miss this opportunity, students. You pause it. If it is not helpful to you, please share this video to all your friends who are interested to join their doctoral degree with stipend. Okay, Doctor of Philosophy. So first we will see the eligibility criteria for applying. So the candidate should have a master degree in any branch of the science. Listen carefully. They are offering any branch of the science in MSc. They can eligible to apply this program. Or a bachelor degree in engineering, bachelor degree pharmacy and bachelor degree of medicine. So this candidate also eligible to apply this PhD Doctor of Philosophy program with stipend. And another important notification, they informed candidate in the final year of qualifying degree program so are also eligible to apply. So however, if the selected candidates, their selection will be conditional to completing the qualifying degree with a defined marks criteria, and they can only join the PhD program with August 2022 batch of PhD students. So who are doing the final year students? So currently who are doing the master degree of final year students and final year of engineering, final year of pharmacy and final year of medicine students also can apply. They are eligible with some condition basis. They can join, they are eligible to join the Doctor of Philosophy program with the August 2022 batch. Okay, so the students should submit their application through online only. So there is online notification is there, and they submit application online by 31/10/2021. We have plenty of time now. Today is the 28th September, but the last date is 31 October. Okay, with below the link the given, that is apply.registernow.in/ccmb/phd22/. Okay, and what is the selection process? Since it is a central government institution and also belongs to CSIR, and what is the selection process? So the application should be submitted through online only. They will be screened with online. The eligible candidate will be informed about computer based test. We have to write the entrance test, so that is also online. It is through computer based test. A remote proctored online test to be held on 14th November. So the last date of application you have to submit October 31st October, and the entrance examination on 14th November. So very important date, don't forget. And the candidate who are qualifying in the written test and other parameters and having a valid fellowship for pursuing PhD will be shortlisted to appear for online in-person interview at the Center for Molecular Biology, Hyderabad in December. So listen carefully. So the candidate who are qualified, the written test, who are passed on the written test, so they are eligible for a valid fellowship. That means what? A good fellowship, that means stipend to do the PhD. So very important for doing PhD. So they are giving stipend, a good stipend. Okay, we cannot say more than good amount. Okay, I can say good amount, I can say. And also the shortlisted people through online, and they called a personal interview at Hyderabad CCMB, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. And here I mentioned that the valid fellowship stipend, it is an absolute requirement for pursuing Doctor of Philosophy PhD at CCMB, and eligible fellowships are, who are the eligible? So they given some conditions here. So those are eligible. Okay, and another important note they given, so the fellowship must be valid till the time of joining. So when you are going to join a doctoral program, PhD, maybe January or February 2022, so from that they will give a fellowship, good fellowship, food, money, good money they will provide to his stipend. And candidate with a lectureship only in CSIR UGC NET examination, or MSc, MTech, MPharm candidate with GATE or GPAT will not be shortlisted for interview. So who are eligible for lectureship? Because the CSIR and UGC, they are offering for lectureship NET exam. So those people are not eligible to apply this fellowship according to the notification of this CCMB. The candidate will have to make their own arrangements for travel. You have to spend your money to travel, you have to spend money to stay, and also you have to take money for food also. Okay, but during interview, traveling allowance is not payable by CCMB, and mere fulfillment of the minimum requirements of stipulated in the notification would not automatically entitle a person for selection. Very important the given. The decision of the CCMB in this regard shall be the final. So whatever it is, finally what the CCMB is telling, so that is the final decision. There is no canvassing in any form. The decision of CCMB in this regard shall be final. Canvassing they are not allowing. So don't go for any recommendation in any form or bringing in any influence, whether it is in political or otherwise, will be treated as a disqualification. If you go with political influence or some other influence, so you will be treated as a disqualification. For any enquiries, contact the given one email ID. Note it, academic1717phd at ccmb.res.in. Okay, if you have any problem, please you check the websites regularly. Definitely you will get updates of the CCMB. If we received early, then we'll upload in our website, in our YouTube also. So students, don't think about that. Go through the website, that is https://apply.registernow.in/ccmb/phd22. Already it is there in the notification, we can watch. And again I am telling the important notification, the last date of application to fill the application through online is 31/10/2021. The entrance test is on 14th November and the interviews on December. Oh, these are the important dates, and don't miss the golden opportunities given by the CCMB CSR Institute, which is situated in Hyderabad. So this is very golden opportunity. So I know very well about this institute. Okay, they are offering the project with various subject. So if it is not helpful, we can forward to other friends, and even who are doing the final year PGs, MSc, any branch of the science. That is very important, any branch. Okay, so all are eligible. Okay, so students, apply immediately and go for preparation. Definitely you will get a valid institute in India, CCMB, a CSIR laboratory. Okay,
thank you friends. அடுத்த அப்டேட்ல உங்களை சந்திக்கும் வரை விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம், நமஸ்தே.